Hello everyone and welcome back to Time Machine. Today, we're witnessing powerful machines, fearless workers, and moments where precision meets pure chaos. Let's roll. The chimney fell perfectly, just not in the direction anyone expected.
Ну вот и пошла, я говорю, убеги. Пизда УАЗик.
Months of work, one moment, and the sea finally says hello. This machine turns entire trees into sawdust faster than you can blink. Getting a tracked excavator across fresh asphalt looks impossible until these workers make it simple.
Yes.
This crane tried to lift an excavator, but ended up lifting itself instead. Rolling a long steel rod into a perfect coil takes experience and rare finesse. A long chainsaw slung under a helicopter trims treetops to keep them clear of power lines. A spinning cutter on the digger splits chunky timber in a fresh, clever way. A heavy-duty bandsaw bites in, turning thick logs into neat boards, like slicing cake. An excavator attachment tears through soil with almost zero resistance. Dizzy yet? She spins her arms like a windmill, beer glass still safe. Great chefs don't just cook, they put on a show that pulls diners into the moment. Fire obeys him like a trained dancer, years of practice. A massive log is shaved into thin sheets for hardwood flooring and more. Workers feed giant rounds into a brutal chipper, mulch in seconds. A winch line on a truck yanks stubborn stumps free with minimal effort. How many pieces can he make in 1 second? Too quick for ordinary hands. Lost a wheel? No problem. He still cruises in his own way. Multiple saw heads zip through dry branches. Fast, spring clean, done. This special grabber hugs the stump with 2 arms, lifts, and carries it out. First, the machine sizes each log precisely, then cracks them apart in one smooth flow. No truck flip needed. This smart move unloads bamboo in one silky motion. Dry firewood splits quickly and simply. Clean wedges, instant payoff. No vacuum sealer? A jar of water and clever hands do the job just fine. No funnel? Pour fuel cleanly with a smart tilt, 0 spills. Hauling melons downhill usually costs time and sweat. This setup saves both for the boss. Cranking out hundreds of thousands of dice daily? With skilled hands, productivity worries fade. Slim frame, serious power. She makes the guy next to her tremble. Never judge by looks. The bottle toss lands with style, eco-friendly flair, or secret recycling club? A rare trunk is milled, sanded, and reborn as a colossal dining table. Brilliant makeover. The machine that only wants one slice, then another, then all of it. Tire unloading just got effortless. No worries about a pop. Watch these kung fu hands guide chaotic items across a conveyor like choreography. Next time fish go in a bin, remember, impatience can be slippery. Water keeps proving how versatile it can be. One inspired builder fabricates a mini excavator from scratch. Pure ingenuity. Peek at an aerospace novel process on the BM Magic Machine 800. Rope making in a Turkish factory using the Roebling method pioneered in 1880 for the Brooklyn Bridge. harvesting a whole cornfield won't take long with this lightning-fast technique. No look needed. He controls with his feet. Smooth and exact, jaw-dropping mastery. Kick back, relax, and enjoy the show. A spiked peeler eats a huge log layer by layer until nothing remains. Another veneer rig spins a different method to slice perfect sheets. The ending you missed? He's just QA testing a lamp, but faster than most machines. This beast chews an entire tree, roots and all, until it disappears. Here's how to feed a big crowd efficiently. With speed and precision like this, the boss doesn't need harvesters. Results still match the pros. A delicate artist crafts a vast, ambitious painting. Never judge skill by appearance. Thanks for watching Time Machine. Like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next journey through time.